10 High-Profit Margin Business in 2024. In the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship, the year 2024 unfolds as a canvas of unprecedented possibilities. As we stand at the threshold of a new era, the pursuit of high-profit margin businesses has never been more enticing. The digital age, coupled with shifting consumer preferences and global trends, presents a plethora of opportunities for visionary individuals to carve their paths to financial success. From leveraging digital marketing prowess to crafting exclusive luxury experiences, each of these ventures offers a glimpse into the diverse and dynamic avenues entrepreneurs can explore to navigate the path of prosperity in 2024. Digital Marketing Agency. The digital age has given rise to an unprecedented demand for digital marketing expertise. Establishing a digital marketing agency involves leveraging skills in areas such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media management, and content marketing. The pervasive need for businesses to enhance their online visibility positions digital marketing as a high-profit margin venture. Understanding the algorithms of search engines, crafting compelling content, and mastering the art of targeted advertising are foundational elements of digital marketing. In a world where an online presence is synonymous with success, businesses are willing to invest significantly in strategies that guarantee visibility and customer engagement. Software development. In an era dominated by technology, the demand for custom software solutions is insatiable. Establishing a software development business involves creating bespoke applications, websites, or software tools tailored to the unique needs of clients. The complexity and specificity of software development contribute to its high-profit margin potential. Proficiency in coding languages, staying abreast of technological trends, and understanding client requirements are paramount in the software development realm. The ability to create scalable and efficient solutions positions a software development business as a sought-after partner in a world where digital innovation is a competitive advantage. E-commerce. The surge in online shopping has transformed e-commerce into a lucrative venture with high profit potential. Establishing an e-commerce store involves curating and selling products through online platforms. The scalability and global reach of e-commerce contribute significantly to its profitability. Selecting the right niche, sourcing or creating in-demand products, and optimizing the online shopping experience are critical aspects of e-commerce success. The integration of secure payment gateways, efficient logistics, and effective digital marketing further enhances the profit margins of an e-commerce venture. Health and wellness coaching. The growing emphasis on health and wellness has elevated coaching services in this domain to high-profit status. Establishing a health and wellness coaching business involves guiding individuals towards their fitness and well-being goals. The personalized nature of coaching contributes to its premium pricing and high profit potential. Certifications in health and wellness, effective communication skills, and the ability to create personalized plans are foundational in coaching. In a society increasingly conscious of holistic well-being, individuals are willing to invest in expert guidance, making health and wellness coaching a lucrative endeavor. Specialized consulting. Businesses and individuals often seek specialized expertise to navigate complex challenges. Establishing a consulting business in a niche area, such as finance, technology, or human resources, can lead to high profit margins. The depth of knowledge and tailored solutions contribute to the premium pricing associated with specialized consulting. Building a strong reputation, staying abreast of industry trends, and fostering deep connections within the chosen niche are vital in consulting. The ability to provide tangible and transformative solutions positions a consulting business as an invaluable asset for clients, justifying the premium fees charged. Luxury travel services. In a world where experiences often trump possessions, the luxury travel industry stands as a beacon of high-profit opportunities. Establishing a luxury travel services business involves curating exclusive and personalized travel experiences for affluent clients. The discerning nature of this clientele allows for premium pricing and substantial profit margins. Building a network of high-end accommodations, understanding the nuances of luxury travel, and offering bespoke itineraries are integral in this business. Attention to detail, personalized service, and access to exclusive destinations contribute to the allure of luxury travel services, making it a lucrative venture. Renewable energy solutions. With a global shift towards sustainability, businesses in the renewable energy sector have witnessed a surge in demand. Establishing a business that provides renewable energy solutions, such as solar power installations or energy-efficient technologies, positions entrepreneurs at the forefront of a burgeoning industry with high profit potential. Staying informed about renewable energy technologies, understanding government incentives, and building partnerships with suppliers are critical in this field. As society increasingly prioritizes eco-friendly solutions, businesses offering renewable energy solutions find themselves in a position to not only contribute to environmental sustainability, but also reap significant financial rewards. Subscription box services. The subscription box model has become a thriving business model, offering consumers curated experiences delivered to their doorsteps. Establishing a subscription box service involves identifying a niche, curating products, and creating a subscription model. The recurring revenue stream and customer loyalty contribute to the high profit potential of this business. Understanding consumer preferences, sourcing unique and high-quality products, and creating a seamless delivery experience are crucial in subscription box services. The element of surprise and delight associated with subscription boxes fosters customer retention, contributing to the long-term profitability of this business model. Personal finance advisory. As individuals seek to navigate the complexities of personal finance, the demand for expert advice has surged. Establishing a personal finance advisory business involves providing tailored financial guidance, investment strategies, and wealth management services. The trust and value associated with financial advice contribute to the high profit potential of this venture. Acquiring financial certifications, staying updated on market trends, and building a reputation for trustworthiness are pivotal in personal finance advisory. In an era where financial literacy is a prized commodity, individuals are willing to invest in expert guidance to secure their financial futures, making personal finance advisory a profitable enterprise. Virtual events and experiences. The evolution of technology has redefined the way people connect, giving rise to the virtual events and experiences industry. Establishing a business that facilitates virtual conferences, workshops, or entertainment events offers a scalable and high-profit opportunity. The global reach and cost-effectiveness of virtual experiences contribute to the appeal of this business model. Understanding digital platforms, creating engaging content, and providing seamless virtual experiences are fundamental in this industry. The ability to transcend geographical barriers and offer unique virtual engagements positions businesses in this sector for substantial profits. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the demand for high-quality virtual events and experiences is expected to soar, making it a promising avenue for entrepreneurs. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.